it's always nice to be right, but you don't want to be too ignorant when you're right. You know what I mean? You want to still come off as a very humble individual and a very reasonable thinking individual, right? Because you want your opinion to be respected, honored, trusted, all those great things. To kick things this video off, I am the Scripted Legend. Be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and share this video with a friend, especially if they're new to crypto, because there's some things that we're going to explain on the significance of this Bitcoin 40,000 plus value. First things first, they have not been valued at $40,000 at all this entire year. To kick off the year, they started off at $17,000 in trading in trading value per token. And therefore they're up 140%. And to put it into full perspective, the last time that Bitcoin hit 40,000, it was sometime back in April. It was April 25th. I just can't get the little dot on there, but it was April 25th of 2022. Over a year ago, approximately 20 months ago, that came to be. I state it like this because I believe that Bitcoin is not just going to reach 40,000. I do believe it's going to break its all-time high previously. Bitcoin follows, and all of crypto follows, a 4-year cycle. And that 4-year cycle is that year one Bitcoin halving, which is happening in 5 months from now. Or my fault, wrong time period. 6 months from now. 6 months from now, Bitcoin halving period will happen. That burns that halves the mining rate while also rewarding the miners. So it makes Bitcoin scarce while also rewarding those for mining their token and making the Bitcoin platform more efficient, because while the miners mine, it provides Bitcoin transactions an opportunity to be performed. And I can go into further detail about that on future videos for sure. Just be sure to like, comment, and subscribe so you can gain that information. But that's what's coming. So that's year one, that Bitcoin halving event, and that's next year. And then the year after that is when we see a massive bull run. And then to conclude that year, we see it start to dip. That next year, we see a massive dip, and that was 2022. And then that next year, the year before Bitcoin halving, is a recovery year. Because now there's the anticipation of that Bitcoin halving period. That year after the whole massive bull run is a massive dump, because everybody's trying to get their money, everybody's trying to take the profits. So that's to explain what's going on right now. And I say all that to say, ladies and gentlemen, the day of the bulls are coming. The days of the bull is coming. And that's not to get spiritual with nobody. That's just talking about the bullish people, the bullish and the bearish people when it comes to crypto, man. When it comes to stocks and trading. But it's coming. And it's going to be a great time for investors if you got in now. Because even if you get in now at $40,000, when it gets to $70,000 or $66,953, that's still a 20% plus, 50%, sorry, 50% plus return on investment, which are some really good profit ability. All right, but stay tuned for future videos. It is the Scripted Legend signing out. You have a blessed one. Stay safe. Peace.